There we go. All right, today's date is June 8th, 2022. In Childress County, Texas, I call cause number 10701 in the interest of the Knight children. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Present by audio and video is Rachel Knight. Are you ready to proceed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
The court's file reflects that Brian Knight was served with notice of these proceedings back on March 17th of 2022. No answer is in the court file, nor has he appeared at today's hearing, originally set for 9:30. It's now approximately 9:40, and we are proceeding to default. Ms. Kuntz, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Rachel Knight.
Ms. Knight, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Kuntz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Knight, has Mr. Knight given you any direct payments for support that would not be reflected on the state's payment record?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. And Your Honor, I ask that the payment record for the case be placed in evidence as State's Exhibit 1.
All right, I do have a copy of it here, admitted as state's number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Knight, you understand that based on the payment record that's been offered into evidence, we would be requesting judgments for the balances owed by Mr. Knight as of April 30th, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And the judgments we would be requesting are $25,044.61 for child support arrears and $1,784 for medical support arrears as of April 30th, 2022. Are you in agreement with the court entering those judgments that the state's requesting?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're also requesting that Mr. Knight be ordered to pay the child support judgment by paying $200 per month and the medical judgment by paying $25 per month. Are those amounts that you would be in agreement with the court ordering?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, is Mr. Knight currently incarcerated?
Yes.
And it's your understanding he's serving a sentence more than 90 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you understand that because of that, the state is requesting that Mr. Knight's current child support and medical support obligations be modified to $0 per month beginning May 1st of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you in agreement with that, or is there anything you need to let the court know in regards to that request by the state?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in agreement.
Okay. And is there anything else you believe the court needs to know from you today to help make a determination on the issues on your case?
No, ma'am.
I pass the witness.
All right. Anything else, Ms. Kuntz?
No, Your Honor, the state rests.
All right, based on the testimony then and the evidence before me, I'm granting those requests, Ms. Kuntz, including the judgments on the child support arrears and the medical arrears with the payouts as requested. I'm modifying the child support to 0 with the start date. Did you use June, or what date did you use as the start date?
We had discussed May based on dates of service. That would also be the first accrual after the judgment.
All right, I'll start. That's within the time period after Mr. Knight was served. So I'll start the 0 child support and medical support as of May 1st. I'm waiving court costs. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. Ms. Knight, are you providing Medicaid for the kids?
Yes.
Super. Continue to do that as long as they're eligible. And if there are any bills not covered by the Medicaid, then each parent will be responsible for half.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Coons is going to prepare that order for my signature, and I will sign it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody could request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool, and he'd start fresh and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy in the mail or by email within about 2 weeks, Ms. Knight. All right.
Great. Thank you, ma'am.
Ms. Kuntz, do you have her current information?
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor.
Super. Thank you, Ms. Knight. Good luck to you and your family. And
Thank you, ma'am.
enjoy your home state. I bet it's delightful to be back there.
Yes, ma'am.